Ballistic dart gun. While it may require a bit of practice to master, this ballistic dart gun stands unrivaled in its efficiency and effectiveness. Unleashing a barrage of darts is as simple as removing the top safety cover and pulling down the protective collar, revealing the formidable buttons beneath. Pressing down on these buttons will send the darts hurtling toward your assailants, catching them off guard with a sudden and unexpected assault. Reloading the gun is a breeze. Just insert the darts and apply pressure to the rear of the device until they lock into place. With a generous package containing 10 solid 440 stainless steel darts, you'll have ample ammunition at your disposal. The prowess of the dart launcher is truly remarkable, boasting impressive accuracy up to a distance of 20 feet. In the hands of a skilled user, it can even reach a staggering 30 feet, ensuring you maintain a safe distance from potential threats. NV Bracelet. Although it may appear as a simple accessory, the NV Bracelet is far from ordinary, having earned the prestigious 2015 Innovation Award. This unique device offers non-lethal protection by housing a glass capsule within its design, which contains a potent and unpleasant substance. With a swift and effortless movement, the capsule can be cracked open instantly when faced with danger. The emitted odor serves a dual purpose, deterring the aggressor and alerting bystanders to the situation. Remarkably, the scent can be detected from a distance exceeding 328 feet, ensuring a wide reach of effectiveness. Priced at $80, the NV Bracelet provides a valuable and discreet self-defense option for those seeking a non-violent solution. Its ingenious design and potent defense mechanism make it a standout choice for personal safety. Burner Shield. This groundbreaking invention takes the form of a backpack equipped with a ballistic panel, providing comprehensive protection for the wearer's front and back. With its patented design, the front plate can be effortlessly unfolded single-handedly within seconds. The panel features rows of Velcro strips, allowing for customization and attachment of various useful tools like flashlights, stun guns, or first aid kits. Furthermore, the filling of the ballistic panel is replaceable, enabling users to adjust the level of protection as needed. Functionally, this backpack offers multiple spacious compartments, ensuring ample storage space for personal belongings, including laptops. Priced starting at $340, the Burner Shield provides a practical and versatile solution for personal security. Blade Cyclone. Unleash your inner ninja with the extraordinary throwing blade Cyclone, a must-have for those who seek both self-defense and style. Compact and easily stowed in your pocket kit, this weapon of choice unveils 3 razor-sharp blades with lightning speed. Master the art of precision throwing. Own your skills to defend like an authentic ninja. The best part? The throwing blade Cyclone can be yours for a mere $14, an irresistible bargain for aspiring warriors of the shadows. Embrace your destiny and seize this opportunity to transform into a true ninja, ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Hidden Belt Knife. Unveiling a discreet and utilitarian self-defense marvel that seamlessly melds into your attire, a knife in the guise of a belt buckle. This masterfully crafted accessory conceals its true nature until the moment calls for action, swiftly transforming into a formidable blade. It caters to the astute individual who seeks preparedness without attracting undue attention. Simply fasten it on your belt like an ordinary buckle, keeping it within reach. Should danger loom, effortlessly deploy the blade to safeguard yourself. And the cost of preparedness? A mere $24.99, a nominal price to pay for a tool that bestows confidence and security. S&W MP380, a timeless self-defense tool that harkens to tradition. Behold the Smith & Wesson MP Bodyguard 380, a compact and feather-light semi-automatic pistol tailored for concealed carry. Crafted with utmost precision, it stands at 5.25 inches in length, boasting a barrel spanning 2.75 inches, complete with a modest plain muzzle. When we speak of compactness, rest assured, This pistol fits snugly within your pockets, its slender frame measuring less than an inch in thickness. Priced at $359.99. Survival Bracelet, a wrist-worn marvel for ultimate survival. Crafted with top-tier paracord, it conceals a discreet razor-sharp blade. Unravel the bracelet, presto, a knife materializes. With a 2.75-inch stainless steel blade, it effortlessly slices obstacles. Adjustable to fit any wrist, it offers stylish colors. More than a blade, it's a survival tool. Paracord aids shelter and fire. Camping, hiking, or survival ordeal, it's the ultimate wrist companion. Yours for $16.99. Stinger Loud Plus. When emergencies strike, the Stinger Loud Plus emerges as your steadfast companion. This remarkable device boasts a dual-purpose functionality, serving as both a safety alarm and a glass breaker. Imagine finding yourself in a distressing situation, yearning for assistance. With a single activation, the Stinger Loud Plus unleashes an ear-splitting sound, commanding attention from anyone within earshot. Fear not, for you need not face emergencies alone. Even from distances as vast as 600 feet, this invaluable gadget allows you to shatter the glass of any vehicle, facilitating a swift escape should danger loom. Bear in mind though that its prowess is best suited for standard automotive glass, as it is not intended for windshields or laminated surfaces. Diablerie. Witness the awe-inspiring Magic Cane, a lightweight and durable defense gadget that transcends expectations. With a mere touch, it transforms into a formidable shield, accessible even to novices. Crafted from exquisite stainless steel, Diablerie radiates elegance, its silver gleam captivating all who behold it. With an impressive length of 95 centimeters, it commands respect, warding off adversaries like a true sword. Embrace its power and bid farewell to fear and vulnerability. Let this extraordinary cane be your guiding light, instilling unyielding self-assurance on your journey. Aero. When seeking a non-lethal self-defense solution for everyday life, look no further than the Aero Personal Protector. Powered by nitrogen, this double-shot gel irritant is not only highly affordable, but also purpose-built to safeguard families and preserve lives. Its compact size allows for effortless concealment and portability, ensuring you remain protected no matter where your journeys take you. Rest assured, the Aero is a force to be reckoned with, effectively neutralizing adversaries without delay. Prepare for the incapacitating effects it delivers, such as searing burning sensations, impaired vision, relentless bouts of coughing, and overwhelming discomfort. These effects persist for over an hour, providing you ample time to regroup and make your escape, securing your safety in the face of danger.